Hi guys, good morning. This is Jay. So let's start for now. It's basically now we are going to discuss about a line chart. Simple as that. So what is a line chart? The question comes in, right? So to be precise, within Tableau, yeah, this three is basically line charts within Tableau. It produces by default. Okay. Now let's see that. Now look at it here. Everything has been disabled. It's like not being like available for us to make a selection. Now let's go for it. And also like when I hover, you're able to see these options like for lines. Look at it here. When I hover line chart, I would get line chart, lines, continuous. Try date one. So look at it here. One date is mandate, and then one measure is mandate. The next one goes in, the same thing applies, but this is discrete. It is not new over the continuous. The next one, dual line, simple as that. It's two measure is required here. Let's see that how do we going to do it here. I have a sample superstore data here. I have a date of, yeah, I have a ship date, and then let me take profit or quantity. I think I can go for quantity because the numbers can be easily been inferable. I would go here. Now look at it. I made two selections, and here line charts are available for me. Two line chart is available, not the third line. Maybe if I go for sales, yep, even all three charts is available because two measure is required for this line chart, and I have selected two. I don't want a sales now. Let's go one by one now. Now I have chosen ship date, and then the quantity. Yeah, I got this two, and then the recommended goes with discrete. It's not about continuous. Let's go with that. Let's go with the flow. I chosen that. Now you're able to see that the date that I have is basically counted for year level property, and then the quantity is produced in this way. So which means that also each and every year 14, 15, 16, 17, it keeps increasing, and 18 all of a sudden it's dropping. It's because the data for 18 that we have is improper. Okay, fine, won't be a problem. Let's drill down further in the month level data. Now this is the year level, right? Look at it. This by default goes as a hierarchy. Now I don't, maybe like I would go for the month level property now. Yep, sorry. Yep, quarter level, yeah. The second level hierarchy is quarter, the third level hierarchy goes to month, fourth level hierarchy goes to days. Maybe I don't want a date level property, let it be a month level property. But isn't this chart is been not that great to have a better visualization, right? Yep, it's because that we have been using discrete one, not a continuous one. Let me change it to continuous. Either you can click it here, and then this is the discrete section, this is your continuous section. I would go for continuous section, simple as that. Look at it, now it becomes in green color. It represents the continuous segment. I go for the next level hierarchy, a plus. Yep, getting better. Cool. This becomes continuous now. Cool. On top of it, quarter. Cool. 2019, yeah, we're getting month level data. If it is a month level data, yeah, it's producing. If it is a quarter level data, it is not producing 2018, which represents that the data for 2018 that we have is not even having more than of a month data or 2 months data. Okay, so this works effective, right? This becomes a continuous chart. But now let's see that this is quantity, right? Now parallelly, let me have something called sales within the same chart. I would take sales. Cool, look at it here. Two things comes in, getting better, I guess. It's because that the sum of quantity and sum of sales, two charts is been getting reduced within the same visualization. Okay, this is an idea of it. This becomes the final one, which is basically dual chart, simple as that. This is what the dual chart is. Okay, so to get this idea, what we wanted to have is to plot a line chart. Obviously we wanted to have a date column without any mess, and then we want any of them measure to start with. Again, on top of it, if you wanted to have an idea about, I would take segment and then plot it into colors. Each and every segment will have a distinct lines. Cool. Segment level distribution. Now it's getting far better, right? Looking at this, we can able to say that yeah, consumer is performing better than the other two segments, home office and corporate. Cool, a better visualization, right? Yep, this is for line charts. Cool, see you in the next video. Thank you.